Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the province of Zuid-Holland. This is the way us Dutchies say Zuid-Holland. Zuid-Holland. There is a very slight emphasis on the first syllable of the second word. Zuid-Holland. Zuid-Hol-Land. All the letters will be pronounced. Zuid-Holland. I live in the province of Zuid-Holland. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!